Hey, sup? What's up? What you doing? I know what I'm doing. Yep, we are bringing this old $175 Mercedes 190e back to life. If you haven't caught the videos yet, please go ahead and check them out. I started off in the middle of a field. We've moved her inside to Randy's shop. Yep, Randy with AAR, Auto Auction Rebuilds. He's got really cool flags everywhere, including one from Oklahoma right there. What I want to do today is clean this mess out. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey.
Monkey.
Wrench.
Wrench.
Mike.
Mike.
Yay!
I'm in the car.
This is a hot mess. This is how the engine came. Yeah, well, after I tried my house vacuum, which didn't work very well. So Randy said I could borrow the shop vac. We are going to go to town. We're going to clean this up and hopefully put in some new fuses, and then we're going to see what works and what does not work. I got to tell you, I'm a little intimidated. That is the biggest shop vac. I have a little, like, 1 gallon one. This thing is huge, 16 gallons. And we're gonna fill it up today because I got a bunch of junk I need to get rid of. So let me move this old tire. We're gonna have some fun. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Look at this thing. Look at this. All right, here we go. Let there be suction. Yeah. All right, let me show you our progress. That thing can suck. Yeah. Whoa! All of the leaves, all of the dirt, well, some of the dirt is gone from here, and I'm really happy with the engine bay. And I even, as you can see, this looks better. This is my next project. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have this all cleaned out. All of the leaves, except I couldn't get back here because it was too big. All from the engine as much as I could because it was big again. But it looks a lot better. Now I can spray it down and clean it because this, most of this is just dirt. Okay, we've cleaned around the battery. We got rid of everything that was up there, which was a lot. So next up, like I said, we're going to focus on the fuses. But first, let's see how much we got. How much came out of this thing? You ready? Here we go. Oh. Well, I thought it would be more. Look at that. Where'd it all go? I guess it just grinds it up. Maybe so. Okay. We'll have to clean that out for Randy. But Randy, thanks for letting me borrow your shop vac. And yes, it is big. All right, time to inject a little spark and a little electricity into the situation right here. Okay, we have our electronic cleaner. We have fuses that I had to borrow from Janice. Remember the 1969 Mercedes 280 SC that hasn't started in 20 bajillion million years and I still can't get her to work? She's inoperable? Yep. I borrowed all of her fuses and then I saw that O'Reilly had brand new pretty ones. So we got all the fuses I could. I bought every package that they had. So we're going to clean the fuse box, replace the fuses, and see what works when it comes to electronics. I want you to notice something as we are kind of zooming in on the situation. Yeah, every fuse is broken. I don't think, maybe the blue one right there is good. These are all bad. Every one of these, yep, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Where are these things going? They're jumping right out. There's one. White, 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 red, and red. Oh my gosh, this is bad. This is really bad. Okay, wow. I'm just going to take all these out and use the video as an example. I'm going to have to scrub these. And they're, see, every one of them is breaking. Every single one. Let go. Look at this. Ugh. This has been like this for years. I don't know where this car sat. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little car. Somebody abused you. There goes another fuse to the Neverland. Okay. Ah, crap. Come here. That was the only good one. That was my blue one. We're going to save him. Okay. And come on out. Come on out. And one more. There we go. Now I need a toothbrush. I wonder where Randy keeps his toothbrush. You want to see something gorgeous? Look at that right there, baby. Look at that. They have all been replaced and they are in their correct order according to the new fuse box cover, except for this one, and I'm kind of wondering if it's a little bitty short one. I do have a white little short one from Janus, so we'll see what happens, what works and what does not work with that situation right there. But with that being said, let's just kind of see what happens. Well, let's just see what's working and what's not working. You want to? Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Check out our electrical system. Okay, you want some headlights? Let there be light. Oh, okay. What have we got? Yes, yes. No, yes. Yes, 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 yes. All right, we have 3 of the 4 necessary lights. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh, let's try the brights. Oh, those were brights. This is the dim. No. No. Okay. So we need headlights. See? Whoop. Oh, now you're going to work. Now you want to work? Okay. Now they work. Now they work. You just got to let the electricity kind of find its way back to where it's supposed to be. That's huge. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's see if the blinkers work. Okay, lights off. Lights off. And what do we got going on there? No blinkers. No blinky blinks. Okay. Oh wait, there we go. Come on. Yes. Okay. See? You just got to let the electricity find its way. Good. Good. Okay. Let there be left. I want to turn left. Yes. Okay. And yes, on the back. Ho, 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 ho. Yep. Okay. That's good news. Okay, we're trying things on the inside. Can you hear the antenna? Did it go up? No. Okay. But the motor is working. Okay, let's try this window. Okay, one way. Go up. Yeah. Oh! Yes! Let's try the Drinking Buddy window like by Script Garage. Here it is. Okay. Win. Give me back seat. Yes! Oh, we just broke the track. Oh, we just broke the window regulator. Great. Add that to the list of things that need to get fixed. And this one works. Look at that. You want to try, is this the roof? Okay. It wants to. It really wants to. Okay, we're just gonna have to grease that. Radio. Can we find a station? Sit there. Okay. Well, we probably can't find anything because we're in the middle of nowhere and there's no antenna. Yeah, we can't find anything. But at least it moves. Oops. It moves on its own. Turn that off. That's the antenna trying to work. I think I have an extra antenna. I don't know why this... Oh. Well, maybe... See, this is undone. So let's just kind of see what's going on here. There it is. Okay. And I don't know where you go. I'll find out. Let's see what's going to happen here. That's kind of annoying. Okay, we got to work on this. Yeah. We got to work on this. I'm sure it's going to work. I'm sure it's going to work. Does my light? No. No light. The back one? Yeah, there is a back one, but it doesn't work. It's getting dark. We have made all kinds of progress today. We got the engine cleaned out. We have all the fuses replaced, and lots of the electrical still works, kind of. A lot of this is going to require some tracing and some ingenuity, which I hope I have. All right. Oh, you know, we didn't even try. We didn't try our windshield wiper. Let's do that real quick. Let's just see what happens. I don't anticipate anything, but let's just kind of see. Here we go. You ready? Turn this. Oh, come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, you know what? She is so clogged. Yeah, she's clogged with stuff, even though I tried to vacuum her out. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to leave her right there. We'll have to clean that out. The motor is full of junk and maybe even rust. Ugh. Ugh. That's okay. What do you think of my purchase? Yeah, even though a lot of it doesn't work, we're going to be positive and say that a lot of it does. So that is a win. And that is another video in the video vault on this 190E. Thank you so much for joining me on this ride. I'm having a lot of fun bringing this old girl back to life. I need some super glue. Need a little bit of love, and I need a whole bunch of subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can stay with me on this journey. We have more coming up very, very soon, folks. Have a great day, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. But wait, there's more, because you made it all the way to the end of this video. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at what happens in the next video. And trust me, this one could be the best video of all time.
I don't want to stand in front of this.
Here.
I don't trust it. I'll watch and see if the flap opens. Go ahead.
Okay.